Mileage that has been turned down on a vehicle, don't ever get caught with your pants on the floor. In the next couple of minutes, I will teach you how to catch the dealerships that use this nasty tactic to cheat you and your family out of your hard-earned money. This is such a huge problem that Blanche did a special investigations case on this subject. The dealers are using this nasty technique to go and pull back the mileage and ask more for the vehicle. Blanche actually physically caught the people while they were busy turning back the mileage with hidden cameras, and yet it still goes on. So, gone are the days where you need a screwdriver and a drilling machine to pull back the mileage. These days, very sophisticated. The technology is just software. You can buy it on Google. It costs $300. That's all it costs. Gets installed onto an iPad or some sort of a device, and people go from dealership to dealership to dealership to dealership, turning back mileage. During the Blanche case, they caught dealers that are franchise dealers as well as independently owned dealers having this nasty habit. Okay, what can you do to protect yourself and your loved ones from never ever experiencing this? Very, very simple. Couple of steps. You need to be informed, and around 20 to 30 minutes of research is needed and required for you to protect yourself. First thing you need to do when you get to the dealership or when you engage the dealer over the phone, ask them for photographs of the service book. Once they send that, don't take it as truth. Some dealers fabricate stamps and they go and stamp books to make service histories. You need to phone the dealer on the stamp and confirm whatever is in the book is on their system. Very important. This needs to be done. In the case of a vehicle that does not have a service book, most of your new Audis, BMWs and Mercs are all recorded on a system. Ask the dealer or the salesperson that's helping you, please send me the VIN number of the vehicle. Phone the nearest dealership close to you and inquire. I have a vehicle that I'm interested in. This is the current mileage. Can you please, on this VIN number, help me make sure that that mileage is correct? So gather the information from the beginning, when the car was first serviced, up to the last service. Make sure that that's in line. Now here's the tricky part. When a vehicle does not have service history for a couple of years or a couple of kilometers, let's take a Toyota Hilux for example. 9-year-old car, 180,000 kilometers. 5 years ago, the vehicle's last recorded service at Toyota was 150. Remember, 25 to 30,000 kilometers is what we travel per year. So that means for 5 years, that vehicle only traveled 30,000 kilometers. Dealer cannot supply you with a service book or a printout or a valid story. That's perhaps a car you need to walk away from. So remember, if it doesn't make sense, rather walk away. 10 to 1, that vehicle had maybe double, who knows, even triple the mileage. They've pulled it back to be able to ask that high number, or the high price rather. So, protect yourself, protect your family, take the 20 to 30 minutes, do the research properly, and hopefully you find an awesome car with the correct mileage. So, if you enjoy this type of content and you feel it adds value, please share it with your friends. Also, hit the subscribe button at the bottom as well as the bell. And as soon as we make a new episode, we'll be sharing it via the notifications. Take care, everybody.